Welcome back to Keen Venturers. Today, let's take together the journey of Vietnam, a country blessed with lush rice terraces and forested mountains, picturesque valleys, and the fertile delta and beautiful beaches. Included in the mix are booming cities, colonial towns, traditional villages, and otherworldly islands. Vietnam is a long, narrow country squeezed in between the South China Sea and the Laos and Cambodia borders. Ha Long Bay, something that you surely can't miss, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and popular travel destination. The name Ha Long means descending dragon. The bay consists of a dense cluster of some 1,600 limestone monolithic islands, each topped with thick jungle vegetation, rising spectacularly from the ocean. Several of the islands are hollow, with enormous caves. Halong Bay is said to be one of the best places to swim in Vietnam, with numerous beaches. The bay is not only an ideal place for sunbathing with dazzling sunlight, but also a beautiful beach with calm tides, clean, and green water. There are a variety of visitor activities and touring options in Halong Bay. You can take a day-long boat cruise throughout the bay, take a guided island tour and explore the caves, or rent a sailboat or kayak for the day to explore the islands on your own. Aside from the natural scenery that commands Halong Bay, other great attractions include the floating fishing villages where the local fishing people can be found going about their daily business. Imagine living on a private island. Isn't that a dream we all love to have? If talking about the most beautiful landscapes in Vietnam, you cannot bypass stunning rice terraces lying on superb mountains of Vietnam. It is formed on hills with average slope to take advantage of rainwater and spring water for rice cultivating. You would be equally mesmerized by the beaches of Vietnam. Nha Trang is well known for its beaches and scuba diving and has developed into a popular destination for international tourists, attracting large numbers of backpackers as well as more affluent travelers on the Southeast Asia circuit. Da Nang's coastline stretches 30 kilometers, renowned for calm, cool waters and also popular for fishing, water skiing, diving, and yachting. Want to try a new travel method? Try out the cable car that connects An Thuy Town and Ho Thom Island in Vietnam's Quien Giang province. It allows passengers to travel the 7.9 kilometers route in 15 minutes. Although rarely spoken about in backpacking circles, yet Ban Giok waterfall in Vietnam is one of Southeast Asia's most awe-inspiring natural sights. This mammoth waterfall is a whopping 30 meters high and spans 300 meters across, making it the widest waterfall in the country. The waterfall has multiple terraces, which only serves to make it more visually impressive. The surrounding scenery contributes to its wow factor too. Although the waterfall never dries up, but the best time to visit is September to October. There are also other waterfalls worth visiting in Vietnam. The cities of Vietnam are equally beautiful. Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, is known for its centuries-old architecture and a rich culture with Southeast Asian, Chinese and French influences. Ho Chi Minh City is the business and financial hub of Vietnam, with a prominent history going back hundreds of years. Ho Chi Minh City is a popular tourist destination due to its fascinating culture, classic French architecture, and sleek skyscrapers as well as ornate temples and pagodas. The city is also filled with rooftop bars. Want to travel short distance without leaving behind carbon footprint? Try the cycle rickshaw. It's a perfect way to enjoy your visit without the noise of the engine and smoke. If you are religious or spiritual, Vietnam must be on your wish list. Buddhism retained a deep influence on the mass of the people, and its effects go far beyond religion, touching on behavior, the arts, and craft forms. Buddhism presented to Vietnam a new look at the universe, the individual, and life. It had a particularly strong effect on morals and behavior. Bai Ding Pagoda is Southeast Asia's largest Buddhist complex. It consists of several temples and over 500 intricately carved statues of Buddha. It attracts a huge crowd of local devotees and travelers looking to pay their respects and have their fortunes told by the resident monks. The Cao Dai religion is unique to southern Vietnam and was established in 1926. This temple was built by the French around that time. It's something completely different and rather mysterious. Cao Dai blends Buddhism, Christianity, Taoism, Confucianism, and Islam. It is the third largest religion in Vietnam, and the temple you will visit is absolutely stunning. Such beautiful views would surely make you hungry. Do try out the local dishes of Vietnam. They are a real treat for your taste buds. Rice, noodles, fresh vegetable and herbs all play big roles in Vietnamese food, making it one of the healthiest cuisines in the world. Herbs and spices used in food preparation include basil, coriander, lemongrass, mint and black pepper. I hope this video has been helpful for you to plan a trip to Vietnam. Vietnam is a friendly and safe place to travel, and with proper planning you can have a perfect vacation. Finally, I would like to thank you for being with us. Have a great and safe trip. Please subscribe and like this video and encourage us to make more.